Hey folks, it's the Mostplus Auto channel. Today, we're working with the soft trifold tonneau bed cover, fitting all 2015 and newer F-150s with either the 5.5-foot beds. This is perfect for the F-150 owner, who is looking for one of the most cost-effective ways to get some coverage over their cargo. Let me show you how it's done. Let's first take a look at what's included in the package. A strip seal. Some hardware replacements. The most important is the beautiful bed cover. What we need to do is pick up the bed cover and throw it across the bed of our truck. You want to make sure the side with the latching mechanism is face down toward the bed of the truck. Before fixing the bed cover, we will fully unfold it and make sure it is aligned with the truck bed on all sides. After ensuring alignment, we fold the bed cover back. Next, we just take the latch. You want to make sure that this lip makes it underneath the bed rail, and then you tighten thumb screw. After that, we do the same thing on the other side of the bed. Then we'll unfold the cover again. Our rear latch system provides 3 positions to help you flexibly secure the bed cover. Then we can lower our tonneau cover. If this needs to come up a little bit, you could spin it and dial in your adjustment exactly how you need it. Once that's under the lip though, just pull down on this handle. And that lobe at the top of the handle is going to pull this tight into the bed rail and create that tight seal. Now we come over to the other side and do the same thing. Lastly, close the tailgate. It should take you no longer than 10 minutes to get this hooked up to your truck in the driveway. Hope the soft double-layer vinyl fabric bed cover will be helpful to you. Cargo at the back of a truck without any protection is worrisome. You could easily spoil or steal the contents while driving. You can protect the contents of your truck with a cover as well as give it a stylish appearance. There is no better bed cover for the Ford F-150 than the Mostplus tonneau cover. The classic trifold design complements the structure of your vehicle over an aluminum frame. Because of its soft material, the cover is extremely portable and easy to install, carry, and use on your truck. It is also completely weatherproof and can withstand heavy rains and strong winds. As a result, you will be able to store all of your cargo easily in the bed of your truck. Additionally, it's able to reduce air drag while driving, which is another unique feature. With this significant element, you can save up to 12% on gas. Remember, this is just one of the many options for truck bed covers. Find the perfect one for today at mostplusauto.com.